pretty much done. They have to do a small repair and a couple of little minor things along the drip edge that they didn't finish. They're going to come back on Monday, but for the most part it looks like it's done. So that's what it looks like. It looks really nice. All the exterior chinking is done. Still need doors and windows, but it's coming along pretty nice. Working on the inside chinking still, but I'm really pleased with how flat the roof turned out. Nice and straight and flat. Fascia looks good with the big drip edge.